Hey my friend, welcome to Elevation Guild. If you are looking for a powerful Binance trading bot that can handle any market conditions and continue to profit, then you are in the right place. We've tested over a dozen crypto bots over the last 3 to 4 years. Everyone's a genius in a bull market, but how do they handle crypto winters? In this video, I'm going to share with you our top recommendation, how it works and why it works and how you can get access to it, so stay tuned. So let's dive right in. It's called EasyBot. It's compatible with Binance.com and Binance.us along with other crypto exchanges, and it may be stating the obvious for you, but your funds remain in your own control. In this shark-infested waters of cryptocurrency, there are so many promise-to-pay programs that are coming and going where you are giving away control of your capital to an anonymous website that is here today and gone tomorrow. However, your trading capital stays in your Binance crypto exchange. EasyBot has no ability to get its hands on that capital, as we're going to share and describe later on in this video. The base currency being used is USDT, and at the time of recording this video, BUSD, the Binance stablecoin, is currently in the final stages of testing. It uses a hybrid trading strategy combining dollar cost averaging and grid trading. Many times you will find these in isolation as a standalone DCA bot or a grid trading bot. However, they are not able to handle a market crash. If there is a crypto winter and coins fall over 70% in value, like we have seen recently in the last few months, you're simply left holding the same trades for an extended period of time. However, EasyBot has a proprietary strategy that allows you to basically continue to make profits and get out even without the market having to go back up, which we're going to discuss here in a moment. It's quite extraordinary. So to give you an example, in January of last year was the origin of quite a large crypto bull run where everybody who could spell the words crypto trading bot was releasing their own bot because, as mentioned, everyone's a genius in a bull run. However, there was a huge market value correction. Bitcoin fell over 50%, lost 50% of its value in just one single day. People using a lot of bots were obviously left holding the same trades for an extended period of time, which is an inefficient use of trading capital. One individual, however, who is the mind behind this software, figured out a way how to basically dig out of the situation without the market having to go back up, and that is what has been implemented into EasyBot. He figured out a way to pull down the average price for all of these purchases, all of these trades, and close it all out, sell it back into the stablecoin without the market having to go back up. So the first 15% of a market drop is covered by dollar cost average trading. The next 50% of the market is covered by grid trades, which you can see an example of here. So it's a proprietary solution where 50% of the profits is instantly realized, is given to you. The other 50% is used to pull down the average price of those trades that are at the top. In other words, even if the market never goes back up, it's basically going to pull down the average price of the trades at a rate of roughly 2 to 3% per week. So eventually it's able to pull down the average price to the current market price and sell the whole thing. And the creator of this software has in-depth videos where he shows exactly how it works, which we will give you access to. It's incredibly powerful. So you can continue to make profit even when the market is falling 50, 60, 70% and get out without the market having to go back up. So here is a backtest using 1-minute tick data from the Binance exchange from January of last year all the way through that crypto crash that happened in May of last year, and this backtest runs right out to July, and we still averaged 8.89% per month despite that huge market crash. Here is the inside of our EasyBot account where we are trading 10 different coins. Some of the best results have been with Solana and Aave. These numbers that you see right here, the red and the green, that's simply how much the price of that coin has fluctuated within the last 24 hours. This value right here, you see the balance and trading capital allocated to those coins, and this is the profit right here. So close to 10% on these coins. And let's just look at Aave. We put it running on the 20th of March 2022. It's still done close to 8.5%. However, look at Aave, guys. So we started trading Aave around the 20th of March, shown right here. it went up to 243 and lost 70 to 80% of its value, and yet we've done 8.5%. It continues to make profit, and it has pulled down the average price to about right here. In other words, it's almost halfway pulled to the current market value. It's going to close out, sell all the AVE back into USDT without the market having to go back up. And just to show you one of the reasons it's called EasyBot, there's a lot of crypto bots out there that you would need a degree, and it's like drinking from a fire hose. There's 45 input settings, quite complicated. With this, you simply give it a title, leave it on default settings, select your crypto exchange, choose the coin that you want to trade, leave it on cycle mode, leave it active, enter the amount of capital you want to allocate to this particular coin, and click save. The bot is going to automatically compound on a trade by trade basis, allocating 3.39% of your trading capital to the initial order. We're going to talk about compounding here in a moment. And here's a screenshot that one of our clients sent us just a couple of days ago at the time of recording this video. The timing of when you enter the market is going to affect your results. He got into the market after it had fallen over 70%. He avoided that, and now he's capitalizing on all the choppy sideways price action that's happening right now. As you can see, AVE, he's done nearly 10% on Matic, on DOT, on Solana in just 3 weeks. Now that you have a basic understanding of how EasyBot handles a crypto winter and a market crash and continues to profit, what happens if the market is in a bull run or trending up? Let's say you're in a trade in Ethereum, it's going to enter the order. If the market continues to trend up, it will basically trail it. Once resistance is met and there's a pullback of 0.5%, it's going to take your profit and continue that cycle repeatedly over and over again. So the profits you'll experience in a bull market can be anywhere from 3 to 5 times what you'll experience in a downtrend market. And if everything I just said was like another language to you, don't worry, my friend. Even if you're a complete beginner, this is for you, whichever side of the spectrum you happen to fall on. The customized, out-of-box, optimized settings are time-tested, battle-tested, ready to go. It's as simple as what I showed you earlier when it comes to setting up the bot. And the amount of human intervention you need after that is minimal. There's some basic software management that we teach in the step-by-step tutorials, but other than that, it's going to do 99% of the heavy lifting for you. If you fall on the other side of the spectrum and you're an experienced trader, this bot is fully customizable. You can deviate and stray away from the out-of-box settings, and if you do happen to come up with something that consistently outperforms the out-of-box EasyBot strategy, then you will be compensated for that. I briefly touched on compounding and auto-compounding earlier on, which is a powerful feature of this bot and is not available in many crypto bots out there. If you are not familiar with the power of compound interest, it is extremely powerful. The blue line on the right-hand side represents linear growth. That is an investment where you have a fixed amount of capital, earning you a fixed return over time. However, the red line represents exponential compounded growth, where the money that your money is earning you more money, and that effect compounding on itself over time is how you create wealth. This bot is not compounding monthly, weekly, or even daily. It's compounding on a per trade basis. As a hypothetical example, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but if you were to be averaging 7% per month after 1 year with an initial balance of 5,000, you're looking at 11,500, but after 3 years, that's $62,000. So one of the things that causes traders, especially beginners, to lose their shirt is that they're using leverage. They get a margin call, they get into massive drawdown, they blow their trading account. We are not borrowing money here. This is simply spot trading. You are simply purchasing cryptocurrency. If anything were to happen to EasyBot, you would wake up the next morning with cryptocurrency in your own spot wallet inside of Binance. This bot is simply purchasing, buying and selling Matic, Solana, AVE, Cardano, whatever the case may be, whatever you choose to trade. The suggested allocated trading capital per coin is 600 USDT. That number is mathematically calculated for that market crash correction to withstand that 60 to 70% market drop and continue to profit along the way. EasyBot allows you to eliminate human emotional bias. Most traders need to cultivate an elite level of emotional discipline to be consistently profitable, but a bot never gets tired, it's never late for work, it's not going to get greedy when the market's going up, it's not going to fall into a pit of despair when the market is plummeting. It can simply do what it was pre-programmed to do, and that eliminates our emotional interference with our trading results. There is a free software version. You can trade any of the available coins forever. There is also a software service fee of 20% for the paid version, 30% for a free version. So if you're using a paid version, you get to keep 80% of your profits. If you're using the free version, you get to keep 70% of your profits. There is an annual subscription. It is not monthly, so it is very affordable. The advanced version is $250 per year. That allows you to trade up to 10 coins on 2 exchanges. The VIP version for $9.95 per year, which is less than $3 per day, allows you to trade all available coins on up to 5 different crypto exchanges. So the diversity is important because EasyBot cannot force the market to move. It rides the wave, it doesn't create the wave, and we capitalize on volatility. So when ADA is having a flat week, Aave might be making a move. So by spreading your capital over multiple coins, you're going to statistically increase your chances of earning consistent returns. The coins available to trade have been carefully hand-picked with multiple qualification criteria, such as market capitalization, the biggest drop that they've seen in the last 2 years, liquidity, how solid is the project behind the actual coin. There's no point trading a coin where there's no utility or its intrinsic value is zero and it's eventually going to go to zero. You want to be trading coins that are here for the long term. EasyBot connects to your Binance exchange with a secure API connection with a designated restricted IP address, and you are selecting trade only, so EasyBot can only send trade commands. It has no access to your capital, it cannot withdraw from your exchange, and 100% of your trading profits is going back into your own Binance Spot wallet. There is comprehensive hands-on support with this crypto bot. Tuesday to Friday, every morning at 11 Eastern, there's a tech support call live. You can hop on, share your screen, get assistance. There is a support desk with a ton of articles, video and written tutorials for pretty much every troubleshooting and inquiry that you may have. You can also submit a support ticket, very fast turnaround. And what's really cool is you have access to the software creator. Every 2 weeks, the mind behind EasyBot pulls back the curtain. He reviews the previous week in the markets, shows you some live EasyBot accounts and how they performed and why they performed that way, for anyone that wants to geek out and really dive into exactly how it works. But if you just want a hands-off experience, set it and forget it, then you can do that too. And there is also an optional affiliate program that is quite lucrative and allows you to generate an additional stream of income with EasyBot. If you're a person of influence or you know people who know people, you should certainly take a closer look at it. Getting started with EasyBot is easy. You create your EasyBot account, open and connect to your Binance exchange and start trading with a couple of clicks. So the link below this video is going to take you to a page like this. Step 1. Click and register your EasyBot account. Then click here to set up your bot. That's going to open up this page, an introduction video to help you choose what level of membership you want. And when you scroll down, you can see you can choose from Binance.us, Binance.com. KuCoin is also currently supported. When you click on Binance.com, you will arrive on this page right here that has step-by-step tutorial videos that's going to walk you through the process of setting up your bot. Well, I hope you got a ton of value from this video, my friend. You've made it this far, so I'm sure you resonate with the reasons we chose to use EasyBot as our spot trading crypto bot. If you got value from this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, my friend, and head on over to easybot.io to get set up and get started using this bot for yourself. Hope to see you on the inside, my friend. Take care for now.